What is your right to a speedy trial? Imagine waiting for a trial so long that your life feels paused, your job is affected, and your reputation is on hold. That's why your right to a speedy trial is so important. This right is protected by the Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which guarantees that you won't be kept waiting forever before your case is heard. It applies to both federal and state courts, making sure everyone gets a fair shot at justice without unnecessary delays. The main goal of this right is to prevent you from being held in jail for too long without a resolution. It also helps reduce the stress and worry that come with waiting for a trial. Plus, it keeps evidence fresh and witnesses available, so your defense can be as strong as possible. But the Constitution doesn't specify a strict time frame for what counts as speedy. Instead, courts look at several factors to decide if your trial was delayed unfairly. These factors include how long the delay was, why it happened, whether you asked for a trial quickly, and if the delay hurt your ability to defend yourself. For example, if a trial is delayed because of the prosecution's reasons, that might be seen differently than delays caused by the defense. If you didn't assert your right to a speedy trial early on, that could also influence the court's decision. And if the delay made it harder for you to gather evidence or find witnesses, that could be a reason to argue your rights were violated. In federal cases, the Speedy Trial Act of 1974 says that most federal trials should start within 100 days of your arrest. There are some exceptions, like if you agree to a delay or if there are valid reasons for postponement. Many states have their own laws, often setting specific time limits for when a trial must begin. If your right to a speedy trial is ignored, the court might dismiss the charges against you. This means you cannot be tried for the same crime again, protecting you from indefinite legal trouble. Knowing your rights allows you to keep track of how long your case takes and to ask for a trial if it's delayed too long. You can also challenge delays that seem unreasonable or unfair. Being aware of this right can make a big difference in your life. It helps you avoid prolonged stress, keeps your defense strong, and ensures the justice process works fairly. If you understand your right to a speedy trial, you can stand up for yourself and make sure your case moves forward in a timely manner.